Hi, I'm Vivek, CEO and co-founder of Weeve. Our empathetic AI platform empowers people leaders to build a happy, higher-performing team. My co-founders and I are ex-Deloitte consultants, but we didn't quit our jobs, we quit our boss. And we're not alone. 75% of employees at Weeve do so because their managers aren't being responsive to their needs. And this disconnect is costing companies $121K per lost employee, which they're paying at record rates due to a 10-year high in turnover. Now, managers are doing their best to resolve the disconnect, but the only tool we have today to understand the voice of the employee at scale is a survey. And employees hate taking surveys, so they don't. Surveys ignore real human emotion, which is key to true feedback, and the issue to action is 1.5 years. That's why we built Weeve, the first empathetic employee feedback platform. We remove the employee-leader disconnect. This is Grunka Monka Games. They're an early client of ours, and you can tell by the name, an indie video game company. They were under an extremely tight deadline to deliver a new game, and their staff was severely burnt out. They needed a way to understand their issues and fix them fast. They chose Weeve because of Kim, our AI colleague that gives a voice to employees. Kim chats with employees to understand their needs. She surfaces on every messaging platform and feels more like chatting with a coworker than taking a survey. And at the end of the day, we have tons and tons of conversational data. And the power of Weeve is to filter this down to the most actionable feedback. We use empathetic analysis to uncover hidden issues. In Grunka's case, they learned that 80% of their workforce was actively looking for a new job. Now, at this point, I know what some of you are thinking. This is kind of cool, but why couldn't my survey tool do it? Today, we're missing the full picture. Real employee feedback only comes out through conversation, and Weeve enables your leaders to have a conversation with your entire workforce. Being said, analytics alone are not improvement. And the big mistake we make today is dumping data on leaders and managers and overwhelming them when we should be giving them a clear path towards improvement. Weeve gives leaders that path. We provide a tool set to rapidly respond to employee issues. Kim, our chatbot, not only diagnoses issues, she engages employees in the solution building process, essentially crowdsourcing suggestions for improvement. And our check-ins ensure that everyone is held accountable and improvements are being made. Ultimately, we create an experience that empowers managers and that employees love. We see 2.5x higher response rates than a survey and 18x faster issue to action. In Grunka's case, in just 6 weeks' time, they reduced the number of employees looking for new jobs from 80 to 40%. We're fortunate to have a really strong team. We have a combined 60 years experience in developing enterprise applications, and we've worked with 20 of the Fortune 100. We're very used to working with corporates. Our combination of passion for this issue and our experience weaves together to make us a great team. We are Weeve. Don't send another survey. Choose to chat. Thank you.